Welcome to Verity Family Channel. Let's learn to make delicious candied fruit florentines. You will need 200 grams of powdered sugar and 60 grams of butter. Also add 500 ml heavy cream with 33% fat and 200 g of candied fruits. You will also need some dried fruit, 300 grams of peanuts, and 2 tablespoons of honey. Chop your dried fruits into smaller pieces. Be careful with the knife. Now, in a saucepan, melt the butter and honey in the cream. Add the powdered sugar and stir it over low heat until well combined. Now it's time to add the chopped fruits and nuts into the mixture and stir well. Dip a spoon in water to prevent the dough from sticking. Place each spoon on the baking sheet. Bake at 150 degrees C for 30 minutes. Once the patties are cool, turn them over. Now brush each patty with chocolate. Let the chocolate set, and you're done. Enjoy your candied fruit florentines. Thank you for watching. To support us, give us like and subscribe. Bon appetit!